Yun, grabe ang liwanag. Tapos may cut off. Hi guys, welcome back to another vlog. So today we're going to be installing this right here. This is a set of full vision na projector headlight, and we're going to be installing it to my Vios. So tara, let's get started. Now, this right here is not limited to the Toyota Vios. As long as H4 yung headlights nyo, pwede to. Let's get started. So ito, this right here is creating a hype on the market kasi very affordable to. This right here is already a projector type na bulb. Napakamura, so that's the reason why I decided to purchase a set. And yun, tingnan natin kung anong magiging itsura niya. So just to give you guys an idea on what I use, ayan, ito. Ang gamit ko is yung Orion na ganitong LED. I mean, okay din naman siya, except yung buga ng ilaw is medyo mahina, and at the same time sabog na sabog yung ilaw niya. So nakakasilaw sa kasalubong. So that's the reason why I am using one of these. So let's open the box. And this right here is how it looks like. Ayan. So included in the box, I'm pretty sure that this is siguro manual yun nasa loob. Not sure, pero not reading that. Tapos ito na, yung pinaka headlight nya. Now versus the Orion, tingnan natin. Versus the Orion, yan, mas malaki siya. And this right here is the new projector headlight na we're going to be using. And again, it's got a cut-off. So we'll see. Titingnan natin. Sulit siya. Titingnan natin kung may cut-off talaga. And tingnan natin kung malinaw. Pero first, let's have it installed onto the car. Unahin natin sa side nito. Let's go. Okay, so the first one is already installed. So tingnan natin. Ganyan yung itsura niya. I don't know if you guys can see it, pero ganyan ang itsura niya pag naka-install versus yan, ito yung hindi ko pa to napapalitan. Ito pa rin yung Orion na LED. And again, this is the new headlight, the projector type headlight na we just bought. Tapos yan, moment of truth. Titingnan natin kung anong itsura ng buga niya pag nakatapat sa wall. So tara, let's switch the light on. Tingnan lang natin kung may cut off talaga. And oh my god, just check this out guys. There's definitely a cut off sa light. Ito yung full vision, and that right there is the Orion na headlight. And I mean, I should maybe remove the bike. Okay, so now that the bike has been removed, I mean, the difference here is just night and day. Tingnan nyo naman guys, very clear yung cut off. At the same time, yung buga niya, I mean versus the Orion, yung buga niya mas buo. I mean, just check that out right there. Let's see kung anong itsura niya kapag nasa labas. I don't know if you guys can see it, pero okay, so dito talaga sabog na sabog. Tapos dito, okay, anyway, so yan guys, just a comparison between the full vision na projector headlights and the Orion na LEDs. Okay, so let's switch it back off. And what I'll be doing next is I'll be installing the other one para makompleto na natin. We'll just open the other box, we'll install it onto the other side, and later itotono lang natin yung ilaw kung masyadong mababa or masyadong mataas. So we'll see. Okay, so now with the actual install. So yan, natanggal ko na tong isang Orion na LED. And ito naman, again, napakalaki niya. So ipapasok lang talaga siya dito. No need to modify the wires. Just push it in. That's really hard to film with one hand, pero tingnan natin. Ayan. So yan, pasok na siya. And then I would just need to connect the wires and I think I'm good. Ayun, pasok na. Not sure if you guys can see it, pero yan, there you go. Alright, so there you go. After 15 minutes of installing both sides, okay na. They're now both fully installed and I somehow tweaked the height. So I think na-level ko na. So at this point, we're going to be switching the lights on and titingnan natin kung anong itsura niya kapag both sides ay naka-installed na. So tara, let's go. Let's get inside the car. And let's see. Better yet, patayin natin tong ilaw para mas madilim, para mas makita natin. Let's see kung anong itsura niya. Okay, so switching the light on. Oh, wow. That right there looks very, very crisp. Tingnan nyo naman, guys. Yung cut-off, kitang-kita. Hindi yan makakasilaw ng kasalubong. Siyempre, provided na you adjusted it properly. And ito ay yung low beam niya. So, if we get inside the car and try the high beam, tingnan natin. Okay, so ito yung high beam niya. I'm not sure how that is going to look kapag madilim na, pero yun. Okay, so I'm not sure how I feel about the high beam. It's got that parang blue line na nakikita ko sa mga mamahalin na projector headlight. If you're going to be looking for the packaging, ito yung itsura niya. Yan. Brand is, okay, ayan, Bull Vision. These are being sold sa Shopee, sa Lazada, online. Pero yun, again, ito, nabili ko sa, nagtitinda dito sa malapit lang sa amin. So, yun. Pero you can, again, find it on Shopee or Lazada. So, yun, there you go. Bull Vision, yan. There you go. So, yun. I hope you like the vlog. Kung nakatulong, like and subscribe sa channel ko. And siguro, I'll give you guys another video, a follow-up video regarding its performance, kung okay. And also, I'll be checking kung tatagal siya o hindi. So, yeah, that's how it looks like. Alright, so I'll end the video right here. Thank you very much for watching. Peace.